After years of construction, the all-new Tron Lightcycle run is finally open for visitors to enjoy. On March 4th, we were able to get a sneak preview before the official opening date of April 4th, during a Disney annual passholder preview event. There's been plenty of talk about the ride vehicles not being comfortable, but we didn't find that to be the case. At speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, it was a pretty quick ride lasting about a minute of total ride time, which is considerably shorter than the Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster at Epcot. Unfortunately, we are not able to show you our on-ride video as our camera glasses decided to malfunction just before we boarded, but we'll have our backup glasses ready to go for our next visit. Overall, we felt that Tron is a pretty good ride, and it has moved to the top of our list of rides at the Magic Kingdom number 3, overall at Walt Disney World. Here are some highlights from the queue.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our blog for more details about Tron Lightcycle Run as well as the many other rides and attractions at Walt Disney World.